This is the Dogfather.
We love Hong Kong dog rescue.
Yeah. Look at the camera and smile. Okay, so one more.
The founder of Dog Rescue, Sally Anderson.
Well, this is our 10th year anniversary. So it's a very special year for us, a celebration of sorts, but of course we'd like to celebrate no more dogs and no more dogs needing rescue. But at the moment, that's not going to happen.
So what is your goal for tonight? How much money do we want?
Our goal is always the same. It's always $1 million. And we need you to participate and bid for things in the auction and buy the raffle tickets and everything else. If we don't get $1 million, at least we can get close to it.
I have a list of everyone in this room, and that's all I can say, if you understand.
Okay, so we're going to start off by auctioning his family member's signed picture. And this is true, ladies and gentlemen. This isn't a gag, yeah? This is for real. So here we're going to start at 5,000. It's a real giveaway, Hong Kong dollars. What do you think?
I'm insulted. 5,000?
10 going once.
Up to you, Carla.
Going twice. And so did the gentleman at the table. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Question number 3. Anybody smart on this side? So far, no. Name the location of the Hong Kong Dog Rescue Homing Centers. 2 HKDR Homing Center over there. Hurry up, we haven't got all night. Other people want to win something too. Come on. Prize number 10 is for the strip house. You understand it's not stripping, right? You understand? Next one is booze. We like to drink. This is a Chateau Lafleur, something and a million. It's French wine. Run about 12 bottles in a case. Chateau Lafleur. If your number is 0, 8, 7, and then 2, you got a year of torture. really want it, you can give it back, you know. Somebody more deserving. Yo, okay, you need it. Okay, you need it.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Enjoy the year of torture. See you next year.